Hi, my name is Jaq Gibson and I'm a licensed esthetician, and today we're going to be talking about the 4 different skin types. So before I go into the different skin types, I want to first say that people are born with their skin types. It is genetically determined. So the 4 different skin types are normal, oily, dry, and combination. Some people consider sensitive a 5th skin type, but I don't, because sensitive can be for all of those 4 that I listed. Our skin is the largest living organ on our body, and it's naturally acidic. On the pH level scale, it's about a 5.5. The skin has 2 main layers: the epidermis, which is what we see outside, and the dermis, which is underneath what we see, and that is what we consider true skin. Everyone's skin has this protective barrier called the acid mantle. The acid mantle produces oils and secretions for your skin to help protect it against environmental things. It also is what you want to balance to have healthy, beautiful skin. The facial zones that I'm going to be talking about today are the T zones and the C zones. So the first type of skin type that I'm going to talk about is normal. Normal skin is just that. It's normal. It has a good water to oil balance ratio. The pores are pretty much small over the entire face. They're not really large or visible. They may be slightly larger or medium sized right along the edge of the T-zone where the nose are. However, you should not see the pores in the cheeks. If that is how your skin is, then you're about a normal type. The goal of normal skin is to keep it balanced and maintain it at that current state. The next skin type is the oily skin type. So oily skin does just that. It produces excess oil. The pores are larger on the majority of the face. They may even be slightly bigger around the cheek and nose areas. Oily skin requires more cleansing and exfoliating. I recommend oily skin to for sure cleanse at least twice a day. Be careful though not to over cleanse an oily skin type. What happens is your skin sends a signal to your brain saying that it's being over cleansed or stripped dry of its natural oils. So your skin shifts in protection mode and it produces more oil. That's why you want to refrain from over cleansing your face. The benefit to having oily skin is that your skin will age slower. The oil helps condition and moisturize your skin, and it slows the aging process. For oily skin, you need water-based products. You want to make sure that your cleansers, your toners, your moisturizers, the first ingredient listed is water, agua. That's what you want. The goal for oily skin is to balance the oil production in your face. The next skin type that I'm going to be talking about is the dry skin type. Dry skin does not produce enough oil. It lacks oil. It is very dry. The pores are very tight. They're almost so minimal and small that you can't see them because your skin is pulling so tight and it's so dry. Dry skin is a tad bit more sensitive because your skin doesn't produce the oil at its normal rate, and it doesn't protect you from environmental stressors and things of that nature. For the dry skin type, you need occlusive products, thick, creamy products that help seal the moisture into your skin. The goal for dry skin is to stimulate oil production and maintain your hydration. I do want to touch on dry versus dehydration. They are not the same. So dry skin lacks oil, whereas dehydrated skin lacks water. The key to solving dehydrated skin is to hydrate it. You want to increase your water intake. You should be drinking at least half of your actual physical body weight in ounces of water daily. The water will help you hydrate your skin, and you also want to look into a humectant type product or spray or toner. The last skin type that I'm going to talk about is combination skin. So combination skin can either be normal and oily, it can be normal and dry, or it can be oily and dry. A lot of times with combination skin, your T-zone is really oily. The pores are a bit larger through that section of the face. And then on your C-zones, it might be a bit drier. The pores are smaller, the skin is tighter, it might be dry. That is a classic example of combination skin. So if you have combination skin and you're oily throughout your T-zone, you would want to put water-based products in your T-zone area. If you're drier on the outside or C-zones of your face, you want to use products that are more moisturizing and nourishing to your skin. The goal for combination skin is to balance the different skin types in the different areas of your face. Sensitive skin is not a skin type, but a condition. The reason why it is considered a condition is because you can have normal, oily, dry, or combination skin and be sensitive in all 4 types. Sensitivity can also be predetermined by genetics as well. For an example, I have eczema really bad on my hands. My mother has eczema, hence I have eczema. Sensitivity is measured by thinness and redness or reactions in your skin. Sensitive skin is easily irritated by products or heat exposure. If you have sensitive skin, you want to use something that is gentle, fragrance-free, and calming to your skin. The goal for sensitive skin is to smooth, calm, and protect your skin. If you would like a professional proper skin analysis, feel free to book a facial with me. My information is down below. Bye.